Now, in the meantime, a few parishes away, the opposition People's National Party was having its own gathering. The party hierarchy toured St. Mary, drumming up support for the councillors and candidates in that parish. We caught up with the opposition leader, Mark Golding.
This is a good day for democracy in Jamaica. We have been waiting on this for nearly 4 years now. And, we had told the government if they didn't call it, we were going to take action, and we were serious about that. And we're very happy now that time has come and the gate has been flown and we're ready to take them on. And I say to all of our supporters, get ready, saddle up, because we're going to show the Jamaica Labour Party government that time come for a new government. First with the local and then afterwards with the general.
A confident Mr. Golding issued a stern warning to his candidates and supporters for a free and fair local government election.
We look forward to a clean election, abiding by the rules, and I would say to all of our supporters, campaign hard but campaign fair, and don't do anything to bring your party's name into any kind of disrepute, because we want to have a free and fair election so we can beat them fair and square.